I go into a different world when you're accelerating. My brain just zones out.
Warp zone.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great week. Today we got a lot of things going on. We are going to be doing 2 car meets today, meeting up with JackUltraMotive and Mr. Blue M3.
This selection's just gonna suck all around.
And we got a couple of different drives we're going on, and then a Mclaren meet and a gun club. Let's go. That's cool, that's cool. There he is! That's really big.
Oh, that's a phone. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I thought you might be driving. Good stuff.
What do we have here? What's up, man? Wait, are you doing valet today? Is that what's going on? All right, guys, we reached our destination. We are at Securite Gun Club. We got a whole host of cars over here. Let's check them out. 458, we got JackUltraMotive with his R8, 570S Spider, 812 Superfast, 720s, 600 LT Spider, Mclaren GT, and 650S Spider. All right, time to do a test drive. 720 Spider, 570S Spider, and a Bentley Continental GT. Isaac, you're with me? Oh, perfect timing. I love it. With the full red and black?
Yep, sexy red and black.
The new diamond?
They are.
Hit that one more time. Oh, clocks. To screen, to wood. To screen, to clocks. Nice.
Rolls Royce, and I think they got Aston Martin.
A lot of great cars. We're gonna go in here, check out the gun club, grab a bite. I just drove the new Bentley GT First Edition. Very nice, the red and black interior. These guys are all in the Cullinan. Let's check on them. Brand new Rolls Royce Cullinan. So Securite Gun Club is right here along the river. Got a lot of people walking. What do you think, Billy? This is what you like? He likes big, this guy likes big everything. He's like, I need a big Escalade truck, I need a big flying spur. We got Wyatt, we got Tim, we got Jack in the back. How's this back? You got the Grey Poupon stuff back there?
You literally have a window that blocks you from your SUV trunk. so you can't like communicate with the person you're kidnapping back there.
You're like, don't talk, don't speak.
Look at the camera.
Holy crap, this is
Rocking.
That's huge.
This is a front-facing camera.
And then
too.
look, if
What's
you
the
want to
point
go
of
the
that?
night vision, boom. Night vision.
Do it? Oh, it does it in the daylight?
Yeah.
Night vision in the daylight.
Night vision in the daylight, Billy's.
This thing is big and beastie. It's a monster, super comfortable. You can fall asleep. We didn't even know this car was on. The car was left on. They brought food over here into Securite, and they left it on, and they didn't even know it. It's that quiet. You can barely hear the exhaust coming out of the exhaust tips.
So what do you guys do?
I do YouTube for a living. Yeah.
I love how that sounds. I do YouTube.
Do you know this guy?
He's
We're
trying
all
to get
we
into
came
the
together
game.
over here.
Huh?
Yeah, he's trying to get into the
I'm
YouTube
new in
game
the
here.
game.
He's already got the better mic. You see this furry like cat on here? Yeah.
This is just for that wind, man. The tunnels. This is
Oh yeah.
Hey, Jack. You know this has got 95,000 miles?
95,000.
95,000.
So higher than both of us.
He's gonna hit 100 this summer. 95,000 miles. Still looks great. Him and Jamie with a McDonald's cup. I love it. They're gonna be so pissed off that I showed up with a McDonald's cup. And that's a large McDonald's cup too. Jamie, William, you know I love you guys. The flag on the back there. The flag on the great. Jack's V10 coupe on airbags. With the top rack and the BBS wheels. New logo freshly installed by me, but notice the dot flew off already, so I don't know how good of an install job I did. Reminder, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We got a lot of stuff coming. We're doing a lot of filming. We got a lot of cool stuff coming out. Hit the button, I'll say it like everybody else. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, hit the notification bell. Stay up to date, we got a lot of cool stuff coming. Let's keep going. 812 super fast. This is John's car. Black satin black wheels. Okay, we got the 720s. Tom's 600 LT. This is called the marshmallow burner. Toaster marshmallows right here. But maybe that'd be the next video. Let me know if I should switch up the 570S Spider for a 600 LT Spider, make a video toasting marshmallows on the rear exhaust with the flames and make s'mores. Like and subscribe, make a comment, vote if you want me to do that next or not. This is great. Full Alcantara leather mix. In black, it looks pretty clean and mean though. Pretty awesome stuff. 650S Spider. There we go. What do you guys think? You got it down, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you can feel the tire difference. The tires are more harder.
And more vibration as well.
Way more vibration.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
I don't know why I didn't notice this before. All right, guys, we're in the 600 LT Spider. We got JackUltraMotive and Blue M3, aka Tim and Jack, behind us in my 570S Spider. Let's see if they can keep up and what the difference is. Wow. Dude.
loud.
That's way louder.
Very loud. Big
Oh,
cracks.
hell no. That's so much louder.
Brakes off the 720.
The pops.
Yeah, the
Oh. It's disgusting.
Bubbles after that.
Oh my god. This thing pops and burbles. It's like taking that and throwing in like some hurricane juice. That's what it feels like, right? How does it feel though for you?
Dude, it's so fine too.
Right.
I love the way it keeps some bumps and how like
But you can tell like it's race inspired, right? Get ready for the tunnel, guys.
The tunnel. The tunnel.
Oh, oh. Ready? Ready for it?
No, I wouldn't put it back up there.
He
It's
wants
supposed
it
to be-
proper. He doesn't want. That's an open. Like she's
Yeah, you're supposed to.
There
we go.
He's the pro. By the way, I recorded the. Say hi. Oh, there you go. It's Jamie. I recorded the.
Oh yeah.
458 with the McDonald's cup in there. Just saying.
Sure,
Just
he's
saying.
gonna be so pissed. He's like, I can't leave this McDonald's cup in there. That's
The big gulp.
hilarious. That's so
Hey,
funny.
McDonald's
Isaac,
Babe,
Bentley
he
with Dale.
recorded the McDonald's cup. In
inside the
Ferrari.
458.
I knew it. I was gonna throw it away.
20? You're going into 720? Okay.
5 minutes.
Wait,
10
no
minutes.
way.
You want to?
Yeah, I'm freaking down.
Come on. You're in the passenger seat though.
Yeah. I can't trust myself in the driver's seat.
All right. We're jumping to the 720S Spider. Jack's a co-pilot. Jack's having a great day out here.
I am. Don't kill me.
I won't.
No, man.
And it's a Spider, so let's see what it does.
Alright, let's see if I remember.
All right. We're jumping to this now. 720S Spider. You ready for this?
I was born ready.
Oh,
look
damn.
Look at that speaker. It looks like a
Oh, yeah, no.
like a Ray. What do you call one of those?
Stingray.
Stingray, yeah.
But not a
Looks like
Corvette.
Yeah.
Hey, John, I think I got the wrong key.
No, you don't. It's in the center console.
Yeah, I got it, but it's not trying to. It's not feeling me right now.
Yeah, it is. Push the brake all the way down.
I'm deep.
Not deep enough.
Hey, I've been missing leg day. The head
Balls
Gold's
deep,
Gym has been
brother.
closed. Gold's Gym has been closed, right, Bree?
That's right.
See?
That's right.
I'm missing leg day.
I'm not deep.
Dude, this thing soars.
So what happens is the difference between this and when you drive my 570S Spider, the turbos kick in at a lower RPM, and it's
Yeah.
just harder.
Yeah.
It's way harder.
Yeah.
Okay, we're in it. Oh!
Dude, I need to go back there and catch my heart. Because that thing's gone.
Wow.
That was literally the best, worst feeling. Because it's like when you just don't know when it's going to end.
Yeah.
So it's just your heart just keeps on sinking further and further and back. And everything's just going back beyond your brain.
That was crazy. I might need one of these, dude. The thing is though, like, it's hard to get the full power out of this thing versus like a 570 or 600 LT, especially if you tune those.
Yeah.
Because this thing really comes alive at like 120, 130.
I know, that's what people have said.
That's when it gets slippery and it's gone,
Yeah.
right? That was on the on-ramp. On the on-ramp. And I short shifted a little bit. Just a little bit. What, did I lose you? Like,
I tried to keep up, you know, but
he's in the Cullinan, just a cloud. He's in the cloud, just like coming.
Oh, the air.
it is like a cloud.
Yeah, it is. Totally a cloud. It's like you're getting whooshed around. This will feel like the Tributo speed-wise. Different feel, right? But it'll feel like speed-wise is like the Tributo.
I think it's a scammer or something. It's like literally in a
All right, we're back and we're alive. Jack, Tim,
Hey.
thoughts?
Ask him for thoughts.
You need
but-
one of these.
I need one of these.
Yeah,
I
how
might
can
need
you
one of
not?
these. How can I not?
I go into a different world when you're accelerating. My brain just zones out.
Warp zone.
Yeah, exactly. It's literally that image of the Millennium Falcon with all the stars.
Right,
They're just gazing around it. That's what this is.
Right.
Supercars and food.
Hell yeah.
And guns. Aventador with the, I think is it a 50 cal? It is a 50 cal. Wow. With the silencer, the cigars. Dude, look at this view though. Like, think if this is your office. Like,
Oh crap, I didn't even realize.
This selection's just gonna suck all around.
pop,
So you think I hit that song?
big stuff. Like, this is their school, right? John, we've taken over your office, John. Sorry about that. We'll keep it clean, promise.
That was a good appetizer.
They have, they're about to.
Oh, heck yeah. This is great.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, smash the subscribe button, put in some comments, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want me to test drive next. Let me know if you want me, JackUltraMotive, and Tim, Mr. Blue M3, to do a race. We talked about doing a race, so I don't know which cars we would race, but we may set something up in the future, which would be awesome, I think. We could run a couple different cars. We can do like Euro versus JDM versus Supercar versus non-supercar kind of thing. I think that'd be pretty awesome, and we'll kind of see who's gonna win that rally and that race. That'd be pretty good. But anyhow, throw some comments in there. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys would like to see us race if we do a race, and make sure to like, subscribe. We got a lot more coming. I appreciate you guys watching. Enjoy, take care, stay safe. Peace.
It's like the kitchen cabinets when you like barely
Soft close,
close them and then
soft close.
yeah.
Totally.